Hi, my name is Ram Mungia. I'm a senior energy consultant with Sonovus Energy. My role with Sonovus is basically to educate the public. That starts with a complete solar analysis. This will show you in detail everything you need to know, from how many panels fit on your roof, like something like this here, how much irradiance your roof gets, how much energy it's going to produce, and ultimately how much money that's going to save you. So another useful program out there is the solar buyback program. Now, there are some utility companies out there that will actually buy back dollar for dollar your excess energy. Now, what we do is we try to maximize your system in a way that we try to get you 100% of the energy you use. There are some months in the year where you might be producing a lot more than you're using, in which case these companies will actually give you credit for that, and that's cash in your pocket. So much has changed in the last few years, and this is because you're not just helping yourself when you go solar right now, you're also helping the grid. And more importantly, as I like to say, you're saving the planet one panel at a time.